Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to keep all your saved playlist as private. So you can keep your saved playlists. If you are adding other YouTube videos for your playlist to watch later, so you can make it as private, and if it will not show to anyone on your YouTube channel. So you can make all your saved playlists can be made private by using this particular option. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To set your playlist private, you just click on your profile. First you just visit your YouTube channel. You can see the saved playlist will be shown on public. You can put it on private. Just click on your profile, go to the setting option here, then go to the this is your account. You can see a number of options here. You just want to click on the privacy option here, so you can see the playlist and subscription. So here you can put your playlist or subscription to the private mode, or you can hide or unhide from your channel to the viewers. If I turn it off now, you can see the saved playlist also will be show for your viewers. You can see there is a two type of playlist. First thing, it's all playlist or created playlist, or it's you can also turn it off your subscription from here. Just refresh it, then only the it will apply the changes. You can see now this my subscription are showing here. If I lock it, just refresh it, you can see my subscription is hidden. So by using this method, you can hide your saved playlist from your channel to the viewers. You can try this on your PC, and I also made a video for the mobile too. Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about YouTube, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.